Hi there everyone, it's Matthew Reinhart. Let's make it pop. It's the 12 days of holiday pop, and I'm going to teach you how you can make your very own pop-up snow globe card. Let's get started, okay? All right, let's get started. Now you're going to see on the templates, once you've printed them out, that there are two different types of lines. There are dotted black lines and there are solid black lines. You're going to score wherever you see a dotted line. So to score, you'll need to use a ruler and a paper clip, and you're going to rub the edge of the paper clip along your ruler, along every single dotted line that you see in the templates. Oh, by the way, these aren't my hands. This is Kirsten. She's giving me a hand here. Actually, she's giving me two hands. Say hi, Kirsten.
Hi.
Next up, we're going to use a pair of scissors and cut out all the solid black lines. It's really easy. Follow along all those lines very carefully. And then we're going to cut out this pop-up piece. Be sure to cut it out just like so. In order to cut these black lines inside this pop-up piece, what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half right along this dotted line, and we've already scored it, so it'll be real easy to fold. And then now, see, we have access to those lines, so we can just cut right in, and since they're symmetrical, they'll cut perfect on both sides. Look at how she's doing it. Isn't that great? Once you've cut out all the pieces, next step is you're going to pre-fold everything. So fold the center of the card just like that. That's our base page. And it'll fold nice and easy because we scored it. And the next step is you're going to fold along all these lines just like so. You're going to fold it down the center just like this. Make sure you follow along with how she folds all of these little sections, just like this. All right, now it's time to get gluing. Use some regular craft glue. You can use like Elmer's glue or whatever. White glue works best. And we're going to glue these two tabs on. So let's see this shape right here. It will go right on this side on the left. So we're just going to sort of paint the glue into that shape. Make sure you don't get glue outside of that gray area. You can see that she's folded up the tab so that it fits, and there it goes just right there. Make sure the center of this pop-up piece lines up with the center of the base page. Look at that, it lines perfectly up. And then we're gonna flip this over, and we're just gonna paint some more glue on the opposite, on the right side, just within this gray spot right here. Yeah, make sure you only use a little bit of glue. Don't use too much and make a big old glob because you'll get glue everywhere. You only want glue within the gray area. Now both of our tabs are glued down. Make sure that you let them dry. And when it opens and closes, this is how it should look. So let's look at it from all sides. I always like to show everyone what the pop-up works like and how it should look from every angle, because it's important to see how it works. And that is your working snow globe pop. Now's the fun part. Let's get decorating. You can use sequins, you can use markers, you can use metallic markers, you can use crayons, you can use, oh gosh, anything. You could even use felt or glitter or whatever you like, but you have to make sure that when you use glitter, you have to let the glue dry before you close your pop-up. Look at how beautiful. Oh, look at the snow. Oh my God, she has such great ideas about decorating, and you can decorate however you like. So have fun with it. Oh, it's so beautiful. There's all kinds of ways that you can decorate it. Don't forget to decorate the front too. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, I think that's one of my favorite cards that we've made so far, this 12 days of holiday pop. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Well, happy holidays, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this. Yet another 12 days of holiday pop. We're almost finished. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and we'll make more. Hope you all have a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays, and remember, let's make it pop.